Hi, I'm Matt Sargent with ABC Acres in Hamilton, Montana. We're out here today in our propagation nursery. We had a request a while back from a viewer who wanted to see how we would set up a nursery for sale or to just propagate stuff to grow in their future food forest. And we're wrapping up the end of our pruning season, so we've been taking all sorts of hardwood cuttings and propagating them. Some of which we might sell, some of which we might just transplant into some future agroforestry projects. But what we have set up, just so you can, if you want, you can utilize this. We think it works really well. We've made these beds. We just have, scrap plywood sidings to help hold our plantings in. And they're on top of pallets, and the pallets help increase airflow. So we will be setting up irrigation to mist these a couple times a day, make sure that our potting mix stays nice and moist. And our potting mix is a mixture of sand, vermiculite, and peat. And we're putting 1 to 8 cuttings per bag. And we've used burlap bags as a container. And we've done this for two reasons. One, if it is something that we're just gonna plant and we want multiple species, some of this we have some sea buckthorn, we have some aronia, we have all sorts of stuff out here, some goji. But what we're propagating isn't matter, it's the how and the why. But if it's something that we're just gonna plant on the farm, we'll just cut the top of the bag off, plant the whole thing, the bag will biodegrade. But by having the burlap bags, we're gonna be getting root pruning, so we won't be getting massive root bound balls. So what we'll do is once things start to take, we'll occasionally rotate these around so they're not leaning up against each other and growing into each other, and we can maximize that air pruning. And that's the other benefit of having them on the pallets is if a root makes it down through the bottom of the bag, as we rotate the bags throughout the beds, it's not going to be trying to keep growing, it'll air prune. So it's a pretty simple solution to how to do it. Oh, and the other reason we're using burlap bags, aside from the air pruning and the ability to just plant the bag itself, is if we decided we wanted to sell bare root sea buckthorn, for example, well then, we just cut the bag open, empty the potting mix, and sell the bare root sea buckthorn. So this is our simple solution to how to propagate, and we're in the process of building a bunch of these beds as we finish pruning here in the Bitterroot Valley. If you have any questions or comments, as always, we love to hear from you. And until next time, happy growing.